Hi guys, how are you? And today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Boxycharm. And actually, this is the second time I filmed this. The first time, I don't know what happened. I filmed two videos, and when I went to transfer it to my laptop, I don't know what I did. I erased both videos. So I already know what's in here. It was a surprise the first time. It is not a surprise now. But this is what I received. So the first thing that's in my box is by Dermovia. It's a lace appeal black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. And this is what it looks like. And this is an intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. Now I've seen on Instagram the little video where they put the product and then they put it's like a black lace over your face. And I guess after you leave it on for however minutes it says, let me see if I can see how many minutes you leave it on. 15 to 20 minutes. Then until dry, and then gently peel off the mask. I don't know how I feel about peel off mask. I think they're kind of a little uncomfortable, but I will try it. The price of this mask is $30, which I think is crazy. I will never pay $30 for a single mask. I would rather pay $30 for a nice quality facial mask that you put on that comes in a jar that you can use it for several times. I think your money will be better invested in that. But this mask is worth $30. By the name, I'm so upset that I can't even do this right. The name of the box this year is Alter Ego. And we do get a 10% off for IT Cosmetics, which I will list on the information box in case any one of you would like to get 10% off IT Cosmetics. The second thing that is in our palette, this was inside a box, but I threw away the box already because I was for sure, I have never really, I think it only happened one time before in my early days that I actually deleted a video. It's never happened to me before. So this is a beautiful palette by Pure. This is the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. And it brings 6 eyeshadows, a very small mirror, which I don't know what you're really supposed to do with that. And I guess this is a bronzer, but it's very, very shimmery. So I think it would probably be better used as a shimmery blush because it looks kind of peachy. And these two are very pigmented, and this is a highlighter. I'm going to swatch them for you, but they're probably very usable if you're very careful, or you can use it on your eyes because colors like this you can definitely use them as a shadow. And I already did that one. Okay. See, I think that will make a really pretty shadow too, the one that is supposed to be a bronzer. But if you can see, these are the two. These two are the two blushes. This is the bronzer, and that's a highlighter. And it's very, very bright. Let me I'll be right back. I'm going to get my makeup wipes. Okay, I'm back. I am using my ring light, so you guys need to let me know if you think that the lighting is better. I can go brighter or a little less bright because it is adjustable. But I mean, it's a little odd to be looking at the camera with a humongous light, you know, looking back at me. So now let me know what you think. Okay, and then the next thing in the box is a liquid lip by Kat Von D. And this shade is Bow and Arrow. And I don't have too many Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. I have a couple that I have received in boxes, beauty boxes and things like that, but I've never purchased one. Most of my liquid lipsticks really are deluxe sizes because I never know when they're going to be too drying or not. And I feel like the Kat Von D one, once you have them on for a while, your lips do feel kind of dry, but that is a pretty shade. So it's definitely something that I would like, and if I wear with a pretty liner, I think it would be very nice. And you can even put like a pretty topper, a gloss on top. So the price of the lipstick is $20. Okay, they also included a mascara, and It Superhero Mascara, and this is a wonderful mascara. I am not going to open it right now because I do have quite a few mascaras that are open that I am using at this moment, so I don't want to open another one. But I love the packaging. I think it is such a pretty packaging, and this makes your eyelashes long and it makes them thick, so it gives you length and volume, which is great. I do enjoy this mascara very, very much, and the price on this mascara is $24. I should know the prices since this is the second time that I've done this. Okay, you know what? I didn't even swatch the eyeshadows. I need to let it go. It's gone. Okay, let's swatch some of the eyeshadows. I swatched them before and they were very nice. They feel very buttery. They're beautiful shades. I normally do like the pure shadows. The only one that I didn't like was one that we received in a Boxycharm that was pure, made for Boxycharm. For some reason I felt like the quality on that palette was different than their normal shadows, and I really didn't care for that one. But their normal palettes, I definitely do like them a lot, and I think that they go on your eyes really, really nice. They stay on, they don't crease, so they're definitely very, very nice quality shadows. So I am glad that I did receive that, and I'm probably going to wear those blushes more as shadows than blushes because they're a little too bright for me. And then I also received the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair, and this is a leave-in conditioner mask, they call it. And I do have this in the full size. They have two different sizes, a small one and a large one. I have makeup all over it. And this is the small bottle, which is, I believe, okay, $16. And the palette, the price of the palette is $38. I normally don't use this as a leave-in conditioner. What I use it is, let's say I wash my hair today and tomorrow morning I get up, my hair is all crazy, doesn't really want to do anything. So I'll spray it on my hair and I'll blow dry it, and it gives it body and it helps me make my hair a little less crazy. So these are the products I received. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I wanted to share with you, hold on one second. I wanted to share with you what I'm using on my eyes. And this is like the simplest thing ever. This is a very inexpensive eyeshadow from Essence. And I have it in different colors. This one is like a blue-green kind of. And I have this all over my lid. And I had it just this and a crease color before. But when I made the second video, I added something on my outer V. I'll show you what it is now. I have this. I have one that is more green. I have a dark purple one and a bronzy one. These are like $8. They dry beautifully. They don't crease. What I do is I put it kind of in the shape that I want it. Then I go with a brush and kind of like spread it to make sure it's all even. I let it dry for like a minute, and then I go with a powder, you know, shadow for my crease. And like I used this one today for my crease, and I use this one right here on the outer V, which is like a really dark purple black shadow. It's really pretty. If you want to see a pretty look that made out of this palette, go watch Leann Serao. She did an eye look with this palette, and it's beautiful. This is a Cheers to the Beauty, and this is colored Raine, and this is on sale right now. I guess they are doing away with the palette, so it's $25. It's half price. So this is beautiful quality. I really do enjoy their shadows. They're very buttery, beautiful colors. This is like a, I mean, this is like a cool palette, but cool colors. And a lot of these colors are colors that I normally don't use. But look at this, guys. It's gorgeous. I have the Queen of Hearts also, the palette, and it's also really, really beautiful. So this is it for my Boxycharm second time around video. I missed you guys. I haven't recorded in like a week and I really missed it. And today I still feel a little anxious. I've been a little out of sorts with worried about my dad, but he is doing very well from surgeries, which I'm very blessed. But you may still hear a little bit of snoring in the background. But I wanted to record today because that really helps me with my stress. And that's why I did 2 videos, so that I could put one up today and one tomorrow, but I erased the other one. So the other one is going to be a haul video, and I'm going to try to still record it today, so I'm going to put it up tomorrow. And then I'm hoping to do another one for, today is Thursday, I'm hoping to do another one for Saturday and Sunday. So I'm trying to make up for lost time. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. And I'm glad that you gave me a few of your minutes, your precious time to watch my video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.